Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Draw with me kids. A castle. See what I am drawing. Drawing now kids with me step by step. Today I am drawing a castle. This is a beautiful castle. Let's draw with me kids and see how I am drawing. Follow this step and draw now with me step by step. Now, what I am drawing kids? Now drawing a beautiful sketch of dragon. See kids, what is this? What is the name of this dragon? I am very beautifully drawing a sketch of a dragon. Now kids, draw with me. It is very easy to draw a sketch. This is a beautiful sketch of Toothless dragon. This is a toothless dragon. Kids, do you see Toothless dragon in Dragon series? Now draw with me step by step a castle and a toothless dragon. We can make a castle for dragon, a beautiful scenery of castle and a toothless dragon. Now coloring with me kids. I am doing yellow color in eyes, ears and other part of toothless dragon. E for toothless dragon. This is a cute little baby dragon. Kids, do you see this cartoon series now? Grey color in body part of toothless dragon. Now coloring with me kids in a cartoon character of dragon. D for dragon. Its name is Toothless dragon. Now coloring with me kids step by step. See how I am doing coloring in cartoon character of Toothless dragon. T for dragon, a cute little dragon. Now coloring with me. Now I am finishing grey color in other part of in dragon's body. Now this is dragon's tail. T for tail. A beautiful dragon tail. Now coloring in football. A dragon play with a football. Now I am doing different colors in football. F for football. Now kids coloring in castle. This is a castle. This is a dragon house. Now coloring in door of skin color in door of castle. This is a beautiful little house of dragon. It's called a castle. C for castle. This now coloring greenish color in other part of castle. This is greenish color in other part of castle areas outside of castle. A beautiful house of Toothless dragon. Toothless dragon live in a castle. It is a beautiful scenery. Now coloring with me kids. See how I am doing coloring. I am finishing coloring a beautiful sketch of Toothless dragon and her castle.